Chicago Bears today. Where the team stands now, the Chicago Bears remain one of the most historic franchises in the NFL. And today, the conversation around the team is louder than ever. From legendary defenses to iconic players, the Bears have always represented toughness, tradition, and loyalty. Right now, fans are focused on one major question. Where is this team headed? The Bears are in a rebuilding phase, balancing young talent with experienced leadership. Coaching decisions, player development, and draft strategy are shaping the future of the franchise. Offensively, consistency has been a major talking point. Fans want to see smarter play calling, stronger protection, and explosive plays downfield. On defense, the Bears continue to show flashes of the identity that made them famous. Aggression, pressure, and physical football are still at the heart of this team. Chicago's fan base remains one of the most passionate in sports. Win or lose, Soldier Field stays loud, and the city continues to stand behind its team. The upcoming games will be critical. Every matchup is an opportunity to build confidence and momentum. Whether this season ends in a playoff push or another year of development, one thing is clear. The Chicago Bears are focused on the future, and the next chapter is still being written. If you are a true Bears fan, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts on the season so far.